Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into long-term investing, options trading, or just curious about how to build wealth strategically, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down my recent move, buying 7 contracts of Canaan Inc. 2027 $1.50 call options under a leap strategy. Let's dive into the why, the how, and what I expect from this play. Why Canaan Inc? Canaan is a leading provider of high-performance computing solutions, especially in the crypto mining space. They manufacture ASIC machines used for Bitcoin mining, and they've recently pivoted to become a pure Bitcoin play. Analysts are bullish. The average price target is $240, with some estimates going as high as $4,003. That's a potential upside of over 235% from the current price of around $0.75. This is a classic deep value play with asymmetric upside. If Bitcoin rallies, Canaan could ride that wave hard. Institutional confidence in Canaan Inc. is growing fast. Over 18.9% of shares are held by institutions, with 107 major firms backing the stock. Top holders include Vanguard Group with 10 million shares, and Invesco, Renaissance Technologies, and Mirai Asset, each holding multi-million-dollar stakes. This level of ownership signals serious conviction in Canaan's long-term potential, especially as a crypto and AI hardware play. When big money moves in, it's not random. Their research teams see what retail often misses. That's why I'm confident in my leap strategy. I'm riding with the institutions. My trade details. Let's get into the trade. I bought 7 contracts of the CAN 150 call expiring January 15, 2027. That's 7 contracts, each representing 100 shares. So I control 700 shares. I paid $0.29 per contract for a total of $217 USD. That's my max loss. But the potential gain? If CAN hits $300, those contracts could be worth $150 each, or $1,050 total. That's nearly a 5x return. What is a leap strategy? First off, let's talk leaps. LEAPS stands for Long-Term Equity Anticipation Securities. These are options contracts with expiration dates longer than 1 year. Perfect for investors who believe in a stock's long-term potential but want to leverage their capital. Unlike short-term options, LEAPS give you time for your thesis to play out. You're not betting on a quick pump, you're investing in a long-term story. Canaan Inc. Risks and rewards you need to know. Top 3 risks of Canaan Inc.'s CAN. 1. Crypto volatility. Canaan's business is tied to Bitcoin mining. If crypto tanks, their revenue tanks. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. Being a China-based crypto company means they're exposed to sudden policy shifts. That could impact operations or investor sentiment. 3. Dilution risk. They've raised capital before, and they might do it again. More shares equal less value per share. Top 3 rewards of Canaan Inc. 1. Institutional confidence, Vanguard, Invesco, Renaissance. These aren't small players. Over 18.9% of shares are held by institutions. 2. 59x upside potential. If CAN hits $20 by 2027, my $217 leap trade could turn into 12,730 TA. That's a 59x return. Moonshot territory. 3. Tech expansion. Canaan's not just about crypto. They're investing in AI chips and high-performance computing. If they pivot successfully, this could be a breakout tech stock. So yeah, it's risky. But I'm not throwing my life savings at this. I'm making a calculated bet with a defined downside and explosive upside. That's what smart options trading is all about. What I'm watching next? I'll be watching Bitcoin price action, Canaan's quarterly earnings, and any news about their mining hardware innovations. If they land big contracts or expand into AI chips, this could be a game changer. Profit potential breakdown. Now let's talk numbers. I bought 7 contracts of the CAN 2027 $150 call at $0.29 per contract. That's a total investment of $270. So what happens if the stock moves? As you can see, if CAN hits files, I turn 215 into over 2,000. If it hits $10, I'm looking at nearly 6,000. And if it rockets to 20, that's a 59x return. These are the kinds of asymmetric bets that make leap strategies so powerful. Of course, if the stock stays below $50, the options expire worthless. But I'm comfortable with that risk because the upside is massive. I'll also monitor analyst upgrades and institutional buying. If big money starts flowing in, that's a strong signal. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into option strategies and stock picks. Drop a comment below. Are you bullish on Canaan? Do you use leaps in your portfolio? Remember, smart investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.